Hello friends, welcome back to Distilled. What if the peace you're searching for isn't found in controlling people, fixing relationships, or constantly proving your worth? What if the answer is just two words? Let them. Mel Robbins says,
You don't need to control them.
you don't need to convince them.
You just need to let them.
There's a moment in life, maybe it's subtle, maybe it's soul-shaking, where you realize you're tired. Not tired like sleep-deprived. Tired of people, of trying to prove yourself, of making excuses for those who ghost you, ignore you, misunderstand you. That moment is where Mel Robbins steps in with a sentence so simple, it punches your gut and lifts your spirit in the same breath. Let them. This is the foundation of the let them theory, and if you let it, it will change your life. Chapter 1. When they don't invite you. Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram. There they are, your friends, at brunch, laughing, clinking glasses. You weren't invited. You feel that tight grip in your chest, that sting behind your eyes. Why didn't they invite me? What did I do wrong? Now pause, and hear Mel's voice in your head. Let them. In her raw, unfiltered way, she tells it like it is. If people don't invite you, let them. If someone doesn't want to date you, let them. If your friends are planning something without you, let them. Stop chasing people who aren't choosing you. She's not being cold, she's being free, and she's handing that freedom to you. Because chasing approval is exhausting. It eats away your self-worth. When you let them, you let yourself be. Chapter 2. You're not for everyone. Mel says it straight. You are not for everyone, and that's okay. You weren't born to fit in every room. You were born to find the ones that see you, really see you. So what if they think you're too loud? Let them. So what if they say you've changed? Let them. So what if your coworkers gossip? Let them. Let them judge. Let them walk away. Let them think whatever the hell they want, because their opinions are not your responsibility. Mel reminds us that this theory isn't about being passive, it's about being at peace. You're not surrendering, you're reclaiming. Chapter 3. You can't control them, and you never could. This is where Mel goes deep, real deep. We are addicted to control. We think if we explain ourselves the right way, if we show up perfectly, if we give more, love harder, or shrink ourselves just enough, I will be loved, we'll be chosen, we'll be safe. But it's all an illusion. You can't control people. Not their choices, not their feelings, not their behavior. The only thing you can control is you. So what if they misunderstand your silence? Let them. So what if they twist your words? Let them. So what if they walk away? Let them. You stop needing to explain. You stop needing to fix. You stop needing to chase. That's when real peace begins. Chapter 4. The Revelation of Peace. This is the breakthrough, and Mel paints it with raw beauty. When you start saying let them, you stop reacting, you stop begging, you stop dancing around everyone else's moods, and suddenly, there's peace. Peace feels weird at first, unfamiliar, quiet. But then something amazing happens. You realize you never needed them to behave a certain way. You just needed to let go. Mel shares a story about her daughter, who once wanted to be accepted by a certain group at school. When they excluded her, it broke her. Mel looked her in the eye and said, "Honey, if they wanted you there, you'd be there. Let them." That moment, soft but solid, became a turning point for both of them. She stopped trying. And you know what happened? The right friends showed up. People who made her laugh, who brought her peace. Because when you stop chasing people, you create space for the right ones to arrive. Chapter 5. The Power of Silence. Mel says it best. You don't have to respond to every text. You don't have to correct every lie. You don't have to attend every argument you're invited to. Silence is power. And let them is the key that unlocks it. You become unshakable, not because you're numb, but because you're centered. You don't need to say a damn thing, just let them. And then keep going. Chapter 6. Choose you. Here's the core message. Maybe the one your soul's been waiting for. Let them and choose you. Let them underestimate you and keep building. Let them leave and keep walking. Let them doubt you and keep showing up. The people who are meant for you won't need convincing. The love that's meant for you won't need chasing. Mel isn't saying let them to give up on people. She's saying it to call you back to yourself. Let them be them so you can be you.
If this message hit something deep inside you,
If you're tired of overthinking, people-pleasing, or carrying the weight of everyone else's expectations, then it's time. Time to let go.
time to let them. Time to choose you.
Tell us in the comments, what are you letting go of today? Hit subscribe if you're ready to stop chasing people and start chasing your peace. And if you need a reminder, come back here anytime. We'll be right here. Let them, and let yourself live free.
Then smile.
Walk forward.